Hello people, let's see in this video how to create a GIF file with Adobe Photoshop CC. Check our full guide if you don't know all the tools used here. GIF files are videos that can be used and treated as pictures in websites. However, they do not offer a high color resolution, since the maximum amount of colors is 2056. Far from millions of colors that may compose a video. We will see how to convert a video into a GIF file and how to create a complete new one. Anything you need to create GIF files is inside a window called Timeline. Go to Window and click on Timeline to open it. Let's suppose to convert a video into a GIF file. To add a file into the timeline, you can drag it on the workspace or click on the frame icon and go to Add Media to browse for your file. Videos imported are shown in Photoshop through a small frame icon in the Layers window. Assure that your video starts at 00 and then you are ready to go. Go to File and then to Save for Web. A new page will appear. This is used to set the appropriate render settings before exporting your file. On the left you can watch a great preview and set the zoom. You can choose between many files, but the GIF ones do move and are the ones mostly used and accepted on the net. You can choose how many colors and which ones have to be included in the collection used to render. Before going to save, use the little player to see how it looks like with such settings. To create a very personalized GIF file, you need to know how to use the timeline. You can add more video clips dragging them on the preview. To add audio clips instead, click on the note icon and go to Add Audio to browse for the sound file. Click on such clip to show some settings, for example the volume or the gain fades. Click on the loudspeaker icon to mute or enable the audio track. Right-click on the clip and go to Remove Audio Clip to remove it. When you work with the timeline and the videos, the preview shows how the video is where the red playhead is set. You can click on an instant of time to set it. Video and image layers are inside a track called the Video Group. In the Layers window, this is indicated through a clapboard icon containing the layers as clips. You can add new ones going to the frame icon and going to New Video Group. Each layer, also called clip, is ruled easily in the timeline. Click and drag to move them through the same or through different tracks. Drag the edges to set their length up to their natural duration. Click on the small white arrow next to the layer name to check or add effects or keyframes. This structure is quite similar to After Effects. Check and try them when you are more expert. Use the scissors to split a layer in two. To delete a clip instead, simply search for its layer and use the bin button. Mind that the tracks placed on top are the ones that show layers on others, so you can use the tracks order to set which images or videos must stay behind others or vice versa. On the left you have some other buttons. The player can be used to check how your video is proceeding. Use the loudspeaker icon to mute or enable audio. Use the sixth icon to set loop or the resolution quality. The extreme icon on the right is used to add fades and crossfades. Fades simply set the opacity level between two different layers close at each other. Just choose one and drag in between of the two clips, or simply just one. You can add a crossfade in the same way, with the difference that the crossfades act on both clips at the same time. Set the duration using the small window before putting the transition when you add a new one. Drag the edges of the transition to set its length. Knowing this, you can create your own GIF. You can create a mix of videos, putting them in sequence, and then rendering as we saw before. Otherwise, you can place a collection of pictures that go one following another. Anything created using the timeline becomes a GIF file after the rendering, starting from videos or a succession of images. Have fun! If you want the GIF file to be looped, remember to set Forever in Looping options right above the player. Thanks for watching this video. Check our full guide to discover more about Adobe Photoshop CC.